Hello everyone, this is Allie with Macification, and in 3 minutes or less I'm going to quickly go through the screenshots you're going to see when you upgrade to Windows 10. So in another video I showed you guys how to move an ISO file to a USB drive so that you could install a Windows upgrade. So what I have here is my USB drive open, and I'm actually clicking on the setup file, so go ahead and start Windows. So as soon as you do that, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to have the Windows logo on it and in blue. And then once that disappears, it's going to pop up and let you know it's preparing the Windows installation. So right here, when I took the screenshot, we're at 10%. The next thing it's going to do is going to go out and get important updates. I recommend you go ahead and do this, but if you don't want to do that, you can choose right now. It's going to go ahead and go check for those updates. Next thing it's going to do is get a few things ready. And then it's going to ask you to actually accept or decline the license agreement. So go ahead and accept here. And then it's going to actually install those updates if there are any for your system. So here it's just at 0%. So when it's finished doing that, you'll be able to hit next. Then it's going to make sure everything else is ready to install once the updates are finished. And then it's going to let you know that you're getting ready to install Windows and the version. In this case, I'm doing Windows 10 Enterprise. And it's going to have a check mark beside Keep Personal Files and Apps. So now right here, you can click on this little box down here that I have highlighted that says Change What to Keep. So if you don't want to keep personal files or apps, you can go ahead and make that change here. Otherwise, go ahead and you're going to go down here and click Install. Okay, then it's going to actually do the installation for Windows 10. It's going to start here, and it's going to restart several times. I think it was at least 3 or 4 times during the process. So then here it's going to let you know again that you're going to restart in a few minutes or moments. And there's the first restart. And then it's going to pop up, and this is what you should see. If you get to this point, then you know it's working correctly. It was at 0% when it started. It went ahead and eventually got to 8%. Here's another restart. 32%, and it lets you know at the bottom down here in the blue it was copying files at this point. Okay, the next thing is installing features and drivers, and then it was configuring settings. It was at 69% at this point. So when it completely finishes, it rebooted again, and then it welcomed me back with my icon or whatever I had set up for my avatar on my previous Windows 8 system, and my username would be here. So go ahead and click Next. Then it's going to ask you to go ahead and use Express settings, which is what I chose, but if you want to actually customize those, they're down here in the bottom left-hand corner. There's a little link that you can go ahead and customize before moving on. Next, it's going to let you know the new apps that are available for Windows 10. Go ahead and click Next. Then it's going to bring you to your desktop. So this was my wallpaper. As soon as I click on Enter or my spacebar, it's going to bring me to my login screen. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my previous password that was already set up on this machine. And then it's going to go ahead and set up your apps. It says that this won't take long, and it took care of a few more things. And then I am finished. I'm at my Windows 10 desktop. So if you guys have any questions about this, need any help, have any suggestions about anything, email me at alliemacification@gmail.com or visit me on my website at macification.com. Thanks so much.